welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Rayelle. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Today I am going to do a car tour slash what's in my car slash unpacking for college video. So it is now May 13th and we got kicked out of school March 14th. So I have had this stuff in my car for 2 whole months now, and I've just been procrastinating on cleaning it out. I'm sorry I look like this, by the way. I kind of just figured since I might be sweating that I wouldn't like look nice and put makeup on, because like there's a lot of stuff in here, so I know it's gonna be so difficult to clean it out. But yeah, I wanted to make this intro short and sweet. So let's get into it. I have a Volvo XC90. I believe it's a 2007. Yeah, this is like, these coins are in here. Like, I have so much stuff in my car. Like, I promise I'm usually not this dirty, but like, I literally just have it full. The seat like literally doesn't go down, it's broken. But like, yeah, I mean, yeah, I have shit in there. I have so much stuff in my car. But let's get out. Yeah, this is where we're at, so. First, a bag of miscellaneous things. These are my sheets from my bed at school. And then there's just a bunch of clothes and a toothbrush and toothpaste. Maybe I'll just take all the bags out and then take everything upstairs and like show you guys. Yeah. This is the finishing product. Cleaned out the side, that's just a charger. Cleaned out the coins. I'm gonna like clean this gook. Nothing's in my front seat anymore. My seats are finally able to go up again. They've been down for so long. My seats, my floors. You can see my floors again. But yeah, show you it's in my glove box. It's masks and hand sanitizer for Corona. My back seat looks like that. All leather, of course. I have bird shit all over. I'm very sorry. It's a very big car. It's a very like soccer mom car. But yeah. And then the trunk has like that thing. You could just use this to make it go down all the way, but it's huge. nice, spacious. One thing I do have to say is I hate black cars because in the summer it's so hot. To show you guys all the stuff I took out of my car, this is mostly just trash, but suitcases, bins, all this junk is what I need to take upstairs. I am finally done cleaning out my car that took so much out of me. To show you guys what I'm referring to, I had to bring up these two bins from my car, suitcase, there's another suitcase behind that, these boxes, that bag, those shoes, everything. So yeah, I'm a little exhausted and I'm sweating and I feel disgusting. So part of me wants to like shower before going through all these clothes and seeing what I don't need and what I do need. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower. I look a mess. My hair's in a bun, but I decided I am going to unpack tomorrow. I am actually exhausted. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is now day 2. My room is a lot worse than when you last saw it because I actually started to clean out. I just did it in a very non-efficient way. So to show you what my room now looks like, it's actually atrocious. There's my puppy. Yeah, I have 2 beds in my room, by the way, but like, yeah, like this is what we're working with. I already started like throwing stuff outside, like that I'm going to like not keep. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna prop you up somewhere so you can watch me go through this mess. And yeah. All right. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. There's like, I think I'm gonna have to open my balcony and like throw stuff out there. Show you guys what my balcony looks like. I used to have a sitting area there and it got taken away. But yeah. It's so funny because like my room like already looks better, but all I did was just put it outside, so I really did nothing. I don't even know where this is. Did this whole entire bin, This is stuff I'm taking back to school because it's like winter stuff that I can't wear in the summer. I filled these drawers. This is coming out. These are all summer shirts. These are all t-shirts. I hung some new stuff up, and here's an updated pile. This is the stuff that I'm throwing out, and this is the stuff that I'm gonna go through and see if it's worth selling. I kind of just was like, oh, this is good quality. This is this pile. This is like, no one's ever gonna buy this pile. All I have left to do is this bag, and this is gonna be super easy. That just has sweats in it. My shoes, that has like miscellaneous things. That has like materials of mine. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. And then this is just full of bathing suits. So yeah, look at my hair right now. I look a mess, but I'm super happy that I'm almost done, so stay with me. Okay guys, I'm officially done. Wow, that took so long. I started at 10:30 and it is now 1:30. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, but 3 hours is pretty solid. But these, to show you guys what I did, these are all the clothes I'm getting rid of. Clean this off. It's a mess. Don't look at it. Those are the clothes I'm going to try to sell. These two bins are bins I'm taking back to college with me. But yeah, here's my room. I only have 2 beds because I live in a shore town and I have a lot of friends that like to come sleep over. So I thought, like, when we moved into this house, I was like, I'll just get 2 beds because I'm constantly having friends over, like, yeah. So I have 2 beds in my room. Sleeping in a twin really isn't that bad. Like, I actually don't mind it. I don't move a lot in my sleep anyways. I'm super glad I'm done. Alright guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you have not already subscribed to me, please hit that subscribe button down below. And please give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.